loud. Okay? Mrs. Pons, try yours real quick.
This one.
Okay. We're going to try this again.
Don't worry, dear. We still have Harry Coleman's favorite hit.
This is my favorite record. Should have seen my favorite holiday carols.
Oh, Elfie, Santa's upset because his records are getting very old and it's very difficult for them to be replaced, even for Santa Claus.
Well, of course they are, boss. Nobody listens to records anymore. You gotta get the program and modernize.
Sure, Santa, records are a thing of the past. You need to get yourself an MP3 player or an iPod, store all of your favorite tunes and listen to them whenever you want to.
MP3 player. I thought, what the world are you talking about? You mean like cassettes?
No, sir. Well, this is where she started. You can download your tunes and music.
Different kind of music. There's only one kind of music that really makes me happy.
Well, Santa, we all have our favorite playlists, and maybe it's time we do too.
Well, I've never been afraid to play it.
I understand, but really, you still got that same old sleigh you've always driven.
And besides, it only has 473 million miles.
And those credits, they got come out with it too. I'll be seeing that.
Well, son, just to say you could use a little update.
Here, Santa, try mine. I know you're gonna love it.
Now let's go down to this.
With one of these gadgets.
You see, Santa, with one of these gadgets, you can download all of your favorite tunes and listen to them with our headsets or from a docking station. Yes, sir. For instance, Elvis really seemed to love Motown music.
Yes, sir. Ever since that long line in Detroit last year, we just couldn't get enough of that Motor City song.
So when we want to listen to our music, we just put on our earphones, throw it onto our favorite playlist, and get a load of that Motown music. Together from scratch.
Here, Santa, try mine. I know you're gonna love it.
Now let's go down to